Meet the 2026 Newmar Freedom Aire 2515, a luxury motorhome so refined, it feels more like a private jet on wheels than an RV. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, this compact beauty blends power, comfort, and elegance like never before. Every inch is handcrafted, from full-body paint to the seamless lines that make this coach stand out wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure luxury. Real wood cabinetry, soft leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows that turn every road trip into a 5-star experience. It's small on the outside but massive on comfort. A queen bed, gourmet kitchen, designer bath, and every modern amenity packed into 25 feet of perfection. With air suspension, solar power, lithium batteries, and diesel heating, the Freedom Aire is built to go off-grid in total peace. This is not just travel. It's freedom, luxury, and adventure, all in one. The 2026 Newmar Freedom Aire 2515, small size, unlimited class. The 2026 Newmar Freedom Aire 2515, a name that instantly commands attention. It's not just another motorhome. It's a statement of what compact luxury can be when you combine cutting-edge engineering with world-class craftsmanship. From the first glance, this coach radiates sophistication. The sculpted body lines, high-gloss full-body paint, and precision detailing are all pure Newmar, elegant, bold, and unmistakably premium. Under the sunlight, the metallic paint sparkles with depth, layered through Newmar's multi-stage process that rivals supercars in finish quality. The large panoramic windshield curves beautifully, giving the Freedom Aire a confident stance and delivering crystal-clear views for both driver and passenger. Walk around the exterior and every inch screams attention to detail. The high-mounted LED headlights with daytime running strips look sleek and futuristic. Below, fog lamps are integrated neatly into the aerodynamic bumper design, giving both form and function, lighting up rural highways and mountain roads at night. The side mirrors are power-folding, heated, and feature integrated turn signals plus side view cameras. Together with the 360 degrees surround view system, it's nearly impossible to miss anything while maneuvering this beauty. Even the door handles feel solid and weighty, built with the kind of tactile feedback that speaks of true engineering quality. Along the side, you'll notice dual slide-outs that completely transform the interior space when parked. Newmar designed them with flush-fitting seals that blend perfectly into the coach's exterior when closed. Each slide glides out smoothly and silently, thanks to hydraulic precision systems that Newmar is famous for. Down low, the Freedom Aire rides on polished alloy wheels wrapped in all-season Michelin tires, designed for long highway miles with comfort and grip. The wheel arches are accented with chrome detailing that adds a touch of flair without being over the top. You'll also notice the coach's stance is perfectly balanced. That's thanks to its upgraded air suspension system, which automatically adjusts ride height for stability and comfort. On highways, it lowers for better aerodynamics. On uneven terrain, it lifts slightly for clearance. You can even manually adjust it when setting up camp to level the RV automatically, no blocks needed. One of the coolest features of the 2026 model is the exterior tech integration. Along the passenger side, a large, motorized awning extends smoothly with integrated dimmable LED lighting. Beneath it sits a hidden outdoor entertainment zone, a 32-inch smart TV, soundbar, and weatherproof ports, perfect for tailgating or watching a movie under the stars. The exterior storage is another Newmar masterpiece. Pass-through aluminum-framed compartments with slam latch doors reveal massive space for camping gear, folding bikes, or outdoor furniture. Each compartment is lit by LED strips that turn on automatically when opened, a thoughtful touch that makes late-night setups effortless. The plumbing bay is neatly enclosed, featuring quick connect fittings, a whole coach water filtration system, and heated tanks. This means the Freedom Aire 2515 is built for true four-season travel, from summer road trips across Arizona to winter escapes in Colorado. Even the utility ports are labeled and organized in Newmar's signature style. Clean, minimal, and intuitive. Everything feels premium right down to the hinges and weather seals. On top, solar panels stretch across the roofline, providing sustainable power to the onboard lithium battery system. A low-profile satellite dish and skylights blend into the aerodynamic roof, and the integrated ladder makes roof access simple. From the outside, the 2026 Freedom Aire 2515 is the perfect blend of elegance, innovation, and road-ready toughness. It doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. As you approach the entry door, the keyless touchpad unlocks with a soft beep. The automatic steps extend gracefully, LED entry lights glow, and it feels like stepping into a private jet. Only this one can take you anywhere the road leads. As the automatic steps glide out and your foot touches the entryway, you instantly know you're stepping into something extraordinary. The 2026 Newmar Freedom Aire 2515 greets you with an atmosphere that feels like a high-end boutique hotel on wheels. The interior lighting is warm and welcoming. LED accent strips softly glow from beneath the cabinetry, tracing the contours of the ceiling and walls. The craftsmanship here is breathtaking. Every surface, every edge, every joint speaks precision. Newmar's legendary interior woodwork is on full display. The cabinetry is handcrafted in Indiana by master carpenters. Rich maple or European oak finishes, polished to perfection. Each door opens with a soft close mechanism, and the handles have that subtle metallic click that says, "Premium." The flooring is a luxury vinyl plank design, weatherproof and seamless from front to rear. It has the look of hand-laid hardwood, but with durability built for decades of use. The color palette is refined, soft cream, brushed nickel, and deep espresso accents, giving the space a modern yet timeless elegance. Now, the cockpit. Newmar has always been ahead when it comes to driver comfort, and the Freedom Aire 2515 sets a new benchmark. The pilot and co-pilot seats are wrapped in ultra-soft Italian leather, both heated, ventilated, and power adjustable in multiple directions. They swivel 180 degrees to face the living area when parked, transforming the cab into part of your lounge. In front of the driver is a digital cockpit cluster, inspired by luxury SUVs. Crisp graphics, customizable layouts, and all vehicle diagnostics at a glance. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with integrated controls for adaptive cruise, lane assist, and infotainment. The infotainment system is a 10.5-inch high-resolution touchscreen powered by Newmar's proprietary RV Smart Drive interface. It combines navigation, entertainment, 360 degrees camera views, and even integrated climate controls. Voice command support and wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto make every journey intuitive. Above, the panoramic windshield floods the cabin with light, and the side windows provide unmatched visibility. The acoustic insulation is remarkable. When you close the doors, the world outside simply fades away. This is peace on wheels. Turning toward the living area, you step into what feels like a luxury suite rather than a motorhome. The slide-out section expands the space dramatically, revealing a plush sofa on one side and a convertible dinette on the other. The sofa, trimmed in premium microfiber leather, reclines electrically and can convert into an additional bed when needed. The dinette features a solid surface tabletop with brushed aluminum legs and underseat storage. The cushions are dense yet soft, perfect for meals, laptop work, or card games on the road. Across from the lounge is the entertainment hub, a 40-inch 4K smart TV on a powered lift system. Below it, a soundbar and subwoofer tuned by JBL fill the cabin with cinematic sound. You can watch your favorite shows, stream from your phone, or mirror your camera feeds from the exterior. Everything feels integrated and sleek. Moving deeper into the heart of the coach, the kitchen. And here's where Newmar truly flexes its design expertise. The galley layout is compact but incredibly functional. The solid surface countertops gleam under the undercabinet lighting, with beautifully beveled edges that echo the curves of a yacht interior. There's a 2-burner induction cooktop, flush-mounted for a clean look. A convection microwave oven sits above, seamlessly integrated with the cabinetry. The stainless steel sink has a deep basin, perfect for full-size pots, and comes with a retractable sprayer faucet. Storage in this kitchen is nothing short of impressive soft-close drawers with hidden organizers, overhead cabinets with motion sensor lights, and even a pull-out pantry that slides silently on ball-bearing tracks. On the opposite side, you'll find a 12V compressor refrigerator, full height, double door, and whisper quiet. It's finished in brushed stainless steel and designed for off-grid efficiency. Right next to it, a vertical cabinet hides the washer-dryer prep because yes, even in a 25-foot coach, Newmar thought ahead. The lighting can be adjusted throughout the kitchen with touch panels, from bright task light for cooking to soft ambient glow for evenings. Every detail, from the backsplash tiles to the cabinet trim, reflects the same obsession with quality. Even the air vents are flush and color-matched. Nothing disrupts the visual harmony. As you move further back, you reach one of the highlights of this coach. The bathroom. Compact, yes, but the layout is nothing short of genius. Step inside and you'll find a radius glass shower enclosure. Surprisingly spacious for this size of motorhome. The shower walls are lined with faux marble panels. The rainfall-style shower head gives a spa-like experience. And there's a built-in seat for extra comfort. The toilet is porcelain with a soft-close lid. And the vanity unit features a solid surface countertop with an integrated sink, brushed chrome faucet, and mirrored medicine cabinet. There's even a skylight directly above, adding natural light during the day. Ventilation is handled by a whisper-quiet max air fan, ensuring fresh airflow even on humid days. And of course, the entire wet area is insulated and heated, making this coach truly four-season ready. Finally, we arrive at the bedroom, the sanctuary of the Freedom Aire 2515. Here, the sense of space and calm is extraordinary. A full queen-size bed stretches across the rear, surrounded by handcrafted cabinetry. Overhead reading lights, soft side sconces, and hidden storage cubbies line the walls. The headboard is upholstered in premium stitched leather, with diamond quilting and LED backlighting. You can adjust the bed's incline electronically for reading or watching TV. Across from the bed sits a 32-inch smart TV mounted flush within the cabinetry, along with a wardrobe closet and drawers that offer residential-level storage. Every hinge, every handle, smooth, solid, and satisfying. When the slide-outs retract, everything folds in neatly, preserving walkable space. A perfect demonstration of how Newmar blends engineering precision with livable design. Now, as we move from the cozy serenity of the bedroom back toward the cockpit, you're reminded that this isn't just a beautifully furnished space. It's a precision-engineered machine built to conquer the open road in absolute comfort. Beneath the sleek exterior, the 2026 Newmar Freedom Aire 2515 rides on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4500 chassis, custom-modified by Newmar's engineering division. Under the hood, it's powered by the 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel, delivering 188 horsepower and an impressive 325 lb-ft of torque. But it's not just about raw numbers, it's about smooth, effortless delivery. Paired with the 9G Tronic automatic transmission, every gear change feels fluid, refined, and perfectly timed. You press the start button, and the diesel hum comes alive, quiet, confident, ready. Once you're on the move, you instantly notice how incredibly stable it feels. The air suspension system, standard on the Freedom Aire, adapts automatically to the road surface. Whether you're on winding mountain passes, cruising desert highways, or maneuvering through city streets, the ride remains composed and luxurious. Newmar has tuned the steering for precision. Feels tight yet effortless, giving you total control. Add to that adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, crosswind stabilization, and collision avoidance braking, and you realize this is one of the safest and easiest small motorhomes to drive in its class. The cockpit acoustics are phenomenal. Noise insulation panels inside the firewall and door frames reduce road noise by up to 40%. You can have a normal conversation even at 110 kilometers per hour, or listen to your playlist in perfect clarity through the integrated Bose premium audio system. On long trips, the navigation system offers real-time weather and traffic updates, optimized for RV dimensions to avoid low bridges or restricted roads. Everything feels smart, responsive, and truly designed for travelers, not just drivers. As you continue down the highway, you remember that comfort isn't limited to the driver's seat. Passengers can recline on the sofa, enjoy snacks at the dinette, or stream movies from onboard Wi-Fi. Every corner of the Freedom Aire 2515 feels alive with luxury and peace. And speaking of independence, this coach is a true off-grid performer. Newmar has fitted it with a 400Ah lithium battery bank, supported by a 3,000-watt pure sine inverter and roof-mounted 600-watt solar array. That means you can run your refrigerator, lights, entertainment systems, and even the induction cooktop all without plugging in. When you look around, every inch of this motorhome whispers craftsmanship. The fit and finish, the way cabinet doors align perfectly, the precision stitching in the seats, the flawless transition between materials. This is the kind of detail you usually find in luxury yachts or private jets. Now let's talk about pricing and positioning. The 2026 Newmar Freedom Aire 2515 comes with a starting price tag around $245,000 US, depending on options. For that, you're getting not just a motorhome, but a fully integrated experience of engineering and elegance. Compared to competitors like the Winnebago Navion or the Coachman Galleria, the Freedom Aire offers a richer interior finish, more advanced insulation, and far superior ride comfort thanks to its air suspension and noise control systems. You could say it's built for people who love freedom but refuse to give up comfort. It's the ideal coach for couples or solo travelers who demand luxury in a smaller footprint, something they can take almost anywhere without sacrificing the indulgence of high-end living. Imagine pulling into a scenic overlook, sliding open the door, and having your morning coffee while sunlight filters across your handcrafted cabinetry. Or parking beneath the stars, switching off the lights, and falling asleep in complete silence, wrapped in fine materials, knowing you're self-sufficient miles from civilization. That's the Freedom Aire lifestyle. Total independence, total elegance. As you prepare to end your day, you dim the cabin lights. The temperature inside is perfect. The generator hums quietly in the distance, barely noticeable. The world outside feels infinite, but inside, it feels like home. The camera slowly pans out, capturing the Freedom Aire under a sky full of stars. A warm glow spilling softly from its windows, and your voiceover closes.